Hi, so our team name is Apollo, and my name is Aditya, and my teammates are Shiva and Jagruti. So we did this project, this bias perspective. So that's about uh, scheduling event. You have to place an order for the events. So here the options are like order for the event schedule and report and the payment and exit. It's a menu-driven program. So based on the selection, user selection, it will take to those screens. And once the user selects the order and event schedule, it takes him to the freelancers and packages, and then he can see the active events. And if he wants to comes back to the main menu, he can come back to the main menu. So that's about the definition order menu. And we have each and every subroutine is here. So this is for the full file reader. And then we have here the definition for the sorter. We have here the freelancer packaging order method, the subroutine. And then we have this another function for the definition for the active events and the definition payment, and then the report. So that's the main the flow of the logic. So this is written in Python, and the file structure is basically we are keeping the main Python file event scheduler.py, and then corresponding the files like a customer payment, which customers paid the amount, the customer details. For that, to track that information, we are having the list of customer payments and list of events. What are the events available, and then the freelancer list and the report. So let's take a quick demo on this one. So I am running this class. So for example, we have this, the user selects O stands for the order for event schedule, and it takes him to another menu. That's freelancers and packages or active events main menu. He can go back to the main menu, or he can exit. So suppose if the order, to select the order, he can go for the particular freelancer which are available. So the Alicia Keys is one freelancer available, and she's specialist in birthday and baby shower decorations, and her price is $600. So for example, customers picks this, and then if he wants to see the another active events, he can go for active events. He can see the birthday decoration. So 400 onwards, there are 400, 600 different packages. So either the customer can go with Alicia Keys, the freelancer, or else any other freelancer available in that. So we have logic which are in the database. We maintaining the active freelancers. So for that, we're going to maintain that the logs, which are the active customers, which are the active users, active freelancers and active packages. Okay, and let's go back to the main menu again. And one more option is called P is the payment. So payment, which customer is selecting which event. So that information is there in this. Monica, Sviatic, birthday, and amount paid, the amount due to all total 600 amount paid. So the amount due is 0. So this information is maintaining those details. So that's about this presentation, and you have all these options. We have this basically a menu driven application development coded in Python. So our idea is basically the kiosk is going to maintain this one. The kiosk is going to the customer can go approach the kiosk, and then he can just open the system, and then he can look into which are the freelancers available and which are the events available, packages available. He can choose based upon his selection. It will navigate him to those screens. And also the system is capable enough to store the customer information and the amount paid, that kind of information, so that it's going to be really useful. And as an addendum, we are planning this kiosk to ask the question either in English or multilingual. they can ask the question either in English or French, Spanish, Italian, German, whichever language, and that will be converted into English, and then the question, the kiosk will respond back based on the question language, whatever they ask. And eventually we are planning to, in future we are planning to develop this as the audio facility as well. We're going to embed that part as well. So as of now, we just trying to integrate this as the time permits. I mean, in this hackathon program, we did this complete development, and if you get some more time, we're going to integrate. That's our plan. So it's going to be very useful. It's going to be very useful for the retail shops like Walmart, Sam's Club, Target. These kind of shops, they can use this this tool, this application, and it's going to be very useful. So thanks a lot, Shiva and Jagrati and myself. We three did this development, and then going up very good actually. Thanks a lot.